Good morning, children. Let's start with English language. Today, the topic which we are going to take in English language is verbs. You all must have studied about verbs since class 1 and 2. Let's try to understand first the meaning or the definition of verbs. What do you understand by the term verbs? So, verbs, if in simple language I explain, are the doing words or the action words. The words which tell us what the noun is doing in a sentence. That part of the word is known as verb. Okay. Now, if I say Martha is playing cricket, Martha is playing cricket. Now, here noun is Martha. And what Martha is doing? Playing cricket. So playing, what is the action word here? The doing word here is playing. So playing is a verb. We will say in this sentence, Martha is playing cricket. The verb is playing. Similarly, if I say Merlin ate pie, Merlin ate pie. Merlin here is a noun, name of a person. Pie is also a noun, name of a thing. Now, what is the action word here? What is the doing word? What Merlin is doing or what she has done? She has eaten the pie. So, Merlin ate pie. Which word is showing the action here? Ate. So, ate is a verb. Okay, let me give you one more example. Grandpa laughed out loud. Grandpa laughed out loud. Now here, grandpa again is a name, is a noun. Now, what grandpa has done, he is doing, laughing out loud. Na? He is laughing. So, laughed is a verb in this sentence. Then, Mayank threw the ball. Mayank threw the ball. Here, ball and Mayank are nouns. What Mayank has done? Has thrown the ball, means threw. The word threw in this sentence is a verb. Now, there are verbs, main verb and helping verbs. The main verb is the verb which tells us the action. And helping verbs are the verbs which are placed before the main verbs. Mean, if I'm saying Martha is eating, Martha is eating a pie. If I say like this. So here, what is verb? Eating. What Martha is doing? Eating a pie. So what is verb here? Eating. Now if I say what is helping verb? Martha is eating a pie. So which word is coming just before the verb? Is coming. Martha is eating. So is a helping verb. So small words like is, has, may, could, these words which are placed before the helping word to complete the meaning of a sentence, these words are called helping words. And main action words are called verbs or main verbs. Got it? Now again, if I say children are reading in the class. Children are reading in the class. Now here, what is the main verb? What is the action word? Reading. What children are doing? Children are noun. What they are doing? Reading. So reading here is main verb. Now before this main verb, before reading, which word is coming? Children are reading in the class. Are. Now this are is a helping verb. Are you getting it? The difference between main verb and helping verb. Main verbs are the verbs which tell us the action, what exactly the noun is doing. And helping verbs are the verbs which are placed before the main verbs to complete the meaning of a sentence. Are you getting it? Now let's take the definition. A verb is a word which says something about a person or a thing. A verb is a doing word. Verbs shows actions as well. Like, which are the verbs? Hit, kick, throw, jump, stand, sit. These are the verbs. And when we place some more words before these main verbs, they are called helping verbs. Got it? Are you getting it? Okay. Now let's take, I'll explain you with few more examples. See, verbs, main verbs. Can you all see the camera? Main verbs. Here, if I take one example, Martha bakes cookies. Now here, Martha is a noun, name of a person. Cookies, also noun, name of a thing. Now what Martha is doing here? She is baking cookies. So that means bake is a verb. Now since there is no helping verb here, so only what we are going to fill here? Verb, main verb. Okay, now David posts a letter. David, noun. Letter, noun. What David is doing? David is posting a letter. That means post is the action word. David post a letter. So post is a verb because this word is showing us what David is doing. This word is showing us what Martha is doing. Okay, then she tasted the food. What she has done? Tasted the food. So tasted is the action word or doing word. What she has done with the food? Tasted. So this word tasted is verb. Okay, so verbs are the doing words or action words which tell us about the nouns, what they do in a sentence. All right, now we are going to study about helping words. As I told you, the small words that is, are, must, then may, has, can, these words which are placed before the main verb. Now if I say Martha is baking cookies, yes, Martha is baking cookies. So now this is will be a helping verb. Is will be a helping verb. Why? Because here verb is baking, action word is baking, and the word which is placed just before the main verb to complete the meaning of a sentence is is. So this is a helping verb. Now let's move on to one more example. She is leaving. Okay, she is a noun, is leaving. Leaving is main verb. Yes, leaving here is verb. That means this is the action word, verb. Now the word which is just placed before this verb is. So is what? Helping verb. Are you getting the difference between main verb and helping verb? Main verb are the words which exactly show us the action or what the noun is doing in the sentence. Helping verb is a word which is placed just before verb to complete the meaning of a sentence. Now, one more example. I have finished my work. I have finished my work. Now, again, here finished is a verb. Finished is a verb because it is showing the action. I have finished. Now, which word is placed just before the verb have? So, have is what? Have is helping verb. Got it? Understood? So, now is it clear what are verbs and what are helping verbs? All right. Yes, sir. What are verbs and helping verbs? Verbs are the words which shows us action. They are the doing words. They are the action words. And helping verbs are the words which are placed just before the main verb to complete its meaning. All right. Now let's do one exercise. Come on, page number 46. The exercise is given to you. Read these sentences and pay attention to the highlighted words and the underlined words. Two types of words are given here. Underlined words and the highlighted words. Let me read the first sentence. Yes, 46 beta. Hmm. First sentence is saying I can speak a little Tamil. Now here you can see highlighted word is can and underlined word is speak. Can you make the difference? Can you tell me what is can and what is speak? What? Very good, very good. Can is helping verb and speak is main verb. Here, the main verb which is telling us action is speak, and the word which is telling us the what word which is placed just before the main verb to complete the sentence is can. So can is helping verb and speak is the main verb. Okay, now next sentence. He is working late today. He is working late today. What is here? Yes. Is helping verb and working is main verb. Now let's read the next sentence. They are working late today. Are are is a helping verb and working is showing us the action. Okay, what they are doing? Working. So working is main verb. They are showing us the action. And what is the helping verb here? Are. Okay. Next. You must obey your parents. You must obey. You must obey your parents. Must is helping verb and obey here is main verb. Yes. Let's take another sentence. He will work late today. He will work late today. Okay. So here will is helping verb and work is main verb. Are you getting it? Now, okay. Now, if I give you few sentences and ask you to fill in the verbs, will you all be able to do? Okay. Okay. She has she has dash her wallet. She has dash her wallet. What verb will come here? She has forgotten. Yes, she has dash her wallet, forgotten. They are dash cricket. They are dash cricket playing. Okay, okay, okay. The teacher dash us English. The teacher dash us English. Teaches us. Yes, the teacher teaches us English. Okay. The sun is dash or do like this. The sun dash in the west. The sun dash in the west. West, not east. Listen to the sentence. Yes, sets. I'm saying west. I'm not saying east. The sun dash in the west. Sets in the west. Okay. Yes. One more. She dash beautifully. She dash beautifully. She dances beautifully. She sings beautifully. She walks. Anything can come here according to the sentence. Got it? So now verbs are clear to everybody. Helping verbs are clear to everybody. Fill in the verbs are clear. If any sentence is given to you, will be able to fill the verbs. Definition is clear to you, and you are now also able how to fill the helping verbs. Okay, so now I'm going to give you one PDF where definition will be given to you and exercise will be given to you. You have to open a fresh page in your fair copies. Then there you have to put heading verbs. Under the heading verbs, mute your mics. Under the heading verbs, you have to write the definition. Then draw the line and do one exercise which I'm going to give you in the PDF. This is your today's work. Okay? Verbs we are going to do definition and exercise. Clear? Any doubt related to verb? No? So are you all ready now to do the written work? Okay, so I am going to give you PDF right now. You do the written work, then we are going to start with the next class. Thank you.